Sword, come here. What I just say? Okay, listen. I get that you're mad at him, but you.
She's so cheap.
Okay. How did this all start? Wait, how did this... Yeah. Why is sword fighting?